How to savor time. Prior to this pandemic, we struggled with having enough time. We were constantly busy, and some of us may have felt burnt out. Now in quarantine, we find ourselves with more time. However, how do we use this time with quality? I think in part it means realizing and accepting that it's okay to slow down. We've been on the grind for so long that our bodies have become used to pushing out work and productivity. Now, it feels like it's flailing, and it becomes restless and uneasy. But please realize, even our bodies need Sabbath rest. Find time at least once a day to connect with friends or family. Have intentional time to check in with them and connect, because connection is important. Go on walks outside. Walks give your body a chance to get the fresh air it needs. It was meant to take in more of creation and nature, and so as you walk, notice the things around you. Notice the vibrant colors, the sounds that you hear, the flowers on the ground. And as you walk, take time to pray aloud the aches that you have in your heart. This way, you're spiritually, emotionally, and physically releasing the pressures and burdens in your heart instead of repressing these. Take time to care for yourself. With all of the worries and stress, even if you're not physically doing something strenuous indoors, your worries may be taking a toll mentally. Do one thing a day to care for yourself. This may mean baking something delicious, eating something healthy, reading a good book, or even just lighting a candle. Let's take it day by day, but fill it with goodness.